Small fireworks show, boys. Oh, damn. A good one. Oh, double. Jeez. Jesus. A big one. Oh, that was a big one. And flashing. Oh, look at that. Hopefully catch it up to the fireworks at least once.
Yeah.
Jeez. Yeah. Oh, I smell smoke. Oh.
Yeah.
Gee, oh, that was a big one. Oh, that's bang.
Yeah, that's... Oh.
That's split. Oh, big one. Mm-hmm. Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
Holy shit. Front row seats for this. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, Jesus. Oh. Ah, the flash. Ah. Oh, my God. That got my eye, frickin' hell.
Oh my God.
That got my eye. You okay?
I didn't even epileptic in here.
The frickin' particle got my eye. Woo! Oh my God. Oh, it's going in the yard.
This is like the 4th of July.
I know it is. It is.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, damn. Oh, more fireworks.
Does not taste good, by the way.
Yep. That blew up.
That was right.
Big one there. Woo! I like that freaking screeching sound. Just. Oh, that was a big one. Yep. Firework. That was split. Oh, big one. That was crappy. Oh, oh shit! Oh shit! Careful! Oh, big ball. Jesus. Oh! Oh, there's more. There's more.
30 of them hit me. My phone is like 30 of them just hit me, but I was blocking my vision like this.
Yeah, it does. Oh, that's a multicolor one. No.
One of him hit my arm.
Oh my God! Oh my God, that's a big one.
Just like this, so it doesn't hit you.
There's no way we get struck by one, at least, right?
Maybe.
If we get struck by a firework star, that'll be
When
done.
fails, it just comes directly to our ass.
Yeah, if we get struck. I swear, if we get struck by a firework star, it's gonna hurt.
Go up in the bang, right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, damn. Jesus. That was more. Oh, that's. Oh, two more. Oh, wow. Oh shit! Oh shit! Careful! Careful! Oh my God! Oh, look at all those flares! Holy crap! Oh, it's brightening up the sky. It's brightening the sky. That's a good one. Oh shit!
Some of those are coming down to us.
Yeah. Nice one. Oh, that's a big. That's a light one. A bright one. Ah! I got my eye. Oh, frick.
Blocking my eye.
Yeah. We really called front row seats for this shit, huh? Woo! Oh, big one. Look at all the smoke over there. Look at all the smoke. Look at all the smoke. That's what. Oh. That's it.
Tomorrow we're gonna wake up. Still give me
Yeah, that's rough. Oh, big one. Oh, oh shit. Record 5 minutes of fireworks.
8 minutes right now.
I know. Oh, really? Yeah, I record halfway through. Oh, shit, careful. Oh, shit. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. there's more, there's more. Oh! Wow. Clap versus shit. Oh man. Look at all this cosmic stuff. Those look like space stars. Holy crap.
I got hit like 100 times.
Oh, look at all the cosmic stars up there though. It looks nice.
Holy cow.
So now that the pool was starting to get clean, it's covered in ashes.
Yeah, it is. Holy crap. I think it's over. I think it's over.
I know.
What are they gonna do about smoke?
Oh. It's out.
Stuff in my ears.